Hello everybody, how are you? This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author and a travel explorer. They chopped the wings of the bird and now they want the bird to fly high. Is it possible? They're complaining that the bird is not flying high. They chopped the bird's wings. Brutally, they uprooted the wings from the body. They cut it. And now they're complaining that the bird doesn't fly. They take it to a doctor. Doctor examines, says that you need to bring the wings back. Only then the bird will fly. Well, this is something similar that's happening to human beings. Right from the childhood, the schools, the colleges, parents, unfortunately, they should not be participating in this crime. They're completely destroying their self-confidence. My ability to speak the way I love to, express myself and question has been completely destroyed by installing fear. When I ask something which is required to be asked, I'm being silenced by telling don't argue with elders. This needs immediate care and attention. Otherwise, we will be creating a society. We already created a society where people are not able to have confidence. There's no clarity. Why? Because the wings of the birds have been cut. We are like birds with confidence. And we have confidence we can fly high. But unfortunately, that confidence has been cut. Just like a bird's wings have been cut. Now the bird cannot fly. And without confidence, people cannot take decisions for themselves. People cannot think for themselves. People do not have the ability to feel good for themselves. And they're constantly under the impression of the society. It's time that we are creating a world where we are able to give them the wings back. At least the next generation must have more freedom, or do not bring more people into the planet when we cannot give them the freedom of joy in being in the places that they love, be with the people that they like, and also having the kind of conversations which will engage in deeper growth and harmony. Think about it. Have a great day. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. Good day.